With over 450 million active users, Pinterest is a gold mine for driving traffic to boost your business. Whether you are promoting Amazon, share a sale, or a partner stock affiliate, this platform gives you an urge to maximize your earning. And the best part, others are already seeing massive results. Now it's your turn. But the real boost happens when you combine AI automation with affiliate marketing. Imagine having a powerful AI like Deepseek or OpenAI to create content for high quality pins and upload them automatically with your affiliate link and earning great from it. Amazing, right? This will be yours to have after watching this video. Because in this video, you will be learning the complete automation workflows and some basics of affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And if you want to start deep with setting an account, finding a niche, and choosing an affiliate program, there are plenty of videos on YouTube just for that. But when it comes to be creating engaging pins, everyone is sharing the manual processes which are meant to be automated. So today I'll be focusing on automating affiliate marketing on Pinterest just to make things easier and effective for you. But before we jump straight into the automation, let's discover the basics in 3 simple steps. The first one, creating a Pinterest business account. If you already have one, then it's time for step 2, finding your niche. For this, you have to understand the platform, like what people are interested in and what are the trends, etc. You can simply use tools like trends.pinterest.com to find the trends and pick your niche. Then the final step is finding the best affiliate program. Many popular brands like Amazon, Share a Sale, Partner Stack offer affiliate programs. Just go through their terms and pick the best that suits for you. If all these steps are done, then it is time to create engaging pins. This is where our automation steps in. So guys, let's dive into the automation workflow. As usual, we are going to develop our automation workflow on make.com. So if you are new to make.com, you can sign up using the link in the description to get 1 month pro plan free. Yeah, here once you signed up to make, you will get into this platform, this window. So you can simply click on create a new scenario. So it will navigate you to the scenario editor window. Here you can develop the automation workflow from the scratch. So I'll be sharing the blueprint of this automation in our SKOOL community. So you can get it from there and you can simply import the blueprint here by simply clicking the import button and choose the file from your system. So I'm going to show you an already developed scenario and I'm going to explain you and walk you through each and every module. So let's go. So here we are using some API endpoints, Rapid API and ChatGPT and Pinterest module to complete this automation. So let's go one by one. Here in the first module, you can see we are doing an API call to a Rapid API named Real-Time Amazon. So to get this API, you have to sign up to Rapid API. And once you signed up, you can simply search for real-time Amazon data. Then you can see the first one. You can click on it and you have to subscribe to the particular API. You can go with the free plan just for testing purpose. I'm just clicking subscribe. Yeah, it's got confirmed. Yeah, now you can start testing. You will get all the parameters required for API call here. So let's see what are the required parameters to see to do the API call. Yeah, here you can see we need to get the base URL to get the best sellers. So here you can see, come down, here you can see the bestseller endpoint. Here you can see the base URL here. You can copy this and you can simply paste it here, and we are using get method to get data. This module is used to get the trending products from Amazon. Here we can choose different categories and different niches. So I'll show you all together, and here we have to enter the headers. So this is the name and this is the value that you can see here in the header. This is the key as a key value pair. You can see the key. This is the key and this is the value, and you can simply copy it and paste it here. And next one is the API key that also available here. You can simply copy the key and value and paste it here and here. So that's about it. Now come to the category. We are going to uh, get electronics category in this case. So it's up to you in on which category you want to focus. You want to do your affiliate marketing. So here we are using the API to get Amazon data. So we have to pass the category that is acceptable in Amazon. For that, you can simply go to Amazon. Then you can see here all the acceptable categories. Now for demo purpose, I'm going with the electronics category. So here category of pass electronics here. So and the type, we have to pass a type as well here. So you can see here the possible types under params. You can see the type, bestsellers, gift ideas, and you can see many ideas here. So I am going with most wished for. Yeah, that's about it. And now I'm passing page one. So we need only one page result, and country, you can pass the country as well. Uh, by default, it will be US, and you can see here the acceptable countries, country codes. You can pass any of this based on your location. So that's about this first module, and we will get the most wished items from Amazon as an output of this module. Now we are moving to the next module to get more details of the particular product that we have received here. So here you can see the base URL. We want to get product details, so we have to go to the product details URL here, and here you can see this is the base URL you have to pass. You can copy this and paste it here, and the remaining things, the ASIN ID that you will get from the first module, and the country also you have to pass here. Yeah, we will get multiple products as an output of this module. So if you are going to create pin for only one product, then you can choose the number here. This is an array actually we'll get. So I have used a random function here, you can see, to get any of the random product from this output of this module. So you can pass numbers as well here, because if you want only the first product of the output of this module, then you can pass the value 1 here instead of this seal formula here. This is the entire formula to create a random number. I want to go with a random product. I want to choose a random product from this output. So that's why I have passed a random here, and that's about it. And this one also we are going with get method, and the same parameters we have to pass in headers, the host and the API key that we have done for this module as well. And that's about it. And here this module is only to get the size of the product array, just to know how many products we got to use in the random formula. So that's about it. Now we have ChatGPT. ChatGPT is to create an engaging content for the pin that we are going to create. Yeah, you can create the connection for ChatGPT by simply clicking add and passing the requested values, API key and organization ID. You can see how to get the API key and organization ID from your OpenAI account by following these links. It's pretty easy. So now I'm going with create a chat module, and I'm choosing GPT-4o mini here. I'm passing the prompt here as a developer or system prompt. I'm just passing this prompt to create an engaging pin. We will get the title, description, alt text, dominant color, link, not everything here. And similarly, we have a user prompt as well. I'm passing all the details from the details of the product that we will receive as an output of this module. Here you can see as in code, product title, product price, unit currency, country, and so on. You can see all the values I'm passing here. And finally, we are inputting the image URL as well from this module. And that's about it. I'm choosing the response format as JSON to get the output of this ChatGPT module in a JSON format. So that's about it. And all the other parameters, I'm just keeping the token as 2048 and temperature 1 and top 1 here you can see. So that's about it. And yeah, now we are going to the image section. We may have multiple images associated with one product, so we want to iterate it first because we will get it as an array. So we are using an iterator to iterate the array of images. And here I have applied some filter conditions because we don't know how many images will be there with one product. Yeah, if it is less than 5, all the 5 images will be passed to this get image module and to the remaining flow. And if it is more than 6 and if it is more than 4 and less than 7, you can see here we are passing just 5 images only. In all the cases we pass 5 images only, but we are choosing the particular images from the bundle. Here you can see if this is the case, we will pass 1 2 4 5 and 6 images only. If there is more than 6 images we received for that product, we will pass only first, second, fifth, sixth and seventh image only. So finally we will get 5 images, and we are getting the image. We will pass the image URL here, and we will get the image here, and we will resize the image. We are using the image module which is available on Make as native, and the resize module, and I'm mapping the get image module here, and I'm choosing the width and height here as 1080 both. And finally we are creating an array of images that contain the image with title, description and link. And for that purpose, we are using the array aggregator. Before configuring the array aggregator, you have to come to the Pinterest module, create a pin. There you have to choose the source type as multiple image base 64, and you have to choose the items. Here, this is the array of images we are passing from here. Once you choose, you can click save. Then you can come here. Then you have to choose the Pinterest module. You will see the target structure type here. You can choose the Pinterest media source items and the image type as image, and I'm choosing the file as from the image module here, and the title, description, link all I'm choosing from the ChatGPT output, this one 47th module. And yeah, that's about it. Now let's continue with the configuring the Pinterest module, and here we have to choose the board. So you have to create a board in your Pinterest account. Then you can choose it here. Come here, you have to map the title, map the description, alt text and dominant color, link, not everything from the ChatGPT module's output. So that's about the scenario. Now let's run and see the result. I'm just running. We got the product details, and the ChatGPT module is now running and creating the content. Now we have created the image array here, and we have created the Pinterest post as well. Here you can see we have successfully created a pin with ID ends with 092. You can see here this is my connected Pinterest. Let me go back. Let me refresh. Yeah, now you can see we have created an amazing pin. You can simply open it and see. Yeah, its title and the description, everything is here. Here you can see different images as well of the product, and you can see the link here. You can simply click on the link and you can see the item on Amazon. Yeah, you can see here the product, the same product. It's actually a life changer for those who are interested to do affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So that's about this automation. You can schedule this automation to run maybe 3 or 4 times in a day. So it will create awesome and engaging pins. So it will be really a life changer for those who are interested to do serious affiliate marketing on Pinterest. And there you have it. The future of affiliate marketing on Pinterest powered by AI automation. Just imagine your pins are working 24/7, driving traffic and stacking commission without spending any time or effort. People have already started earning from Pinterest, but you guys have the advantage of AI automation. So, what are you waiting for? Step into the market and start Pinterest campaign and start earning from it. Also, for more insights and expert guidance on AI and automation, check out our SKOOL community, Master AI Automation. You can now join at $39 per month to get benefits worth over $11,000. You can see the link for the SKOOL community as well in the description. That's it for now. Hope this automation boosts your affiliate earning. So see you soon with another interesting AI automation video.